What's up, yo? Big Cat 305 here. Today on the Blackstone, we're going to be making Smashburgers. Yeah, let's do it.
Red one.
I'm ready to do whatever if you take me away.
Naya.
Suavemente, besame.
Mohammed.
I'll make you do whatever if I take you away.
Mr. Worldwide. It's like deja vu, baby.
I know you crave it.
So the inventor of Smashburgers, Tom Ryan, started Smashburgers back in 2007. And he developed this technique on how to make these Smashburgers. And the basic idea is you smash down a meatball and it sears the bottom of it, makes it nice and crispy, almost like searing a steak. Season the top, salt, pepper, garlic, flip it, put a piece of cheese on it, and that thing is delicioso, let me tell you. So today I've got some Chuck 80/20. They say between 3 to 5 ounces of meat per meatball. So I did about a half a cup, as you can see here, half a cup, and we're going to put this in here. So about a half a cup comes out to be about 4 ounces, and you can see this is pretty much half a cup. We knead it out, and there you go. Here's our meatballs that we're going to use to smash up some Smashburgers. Let's go. So we put down some butter first before we put our Smashburger meatballs down. I use about a teaspoon of butter for each burger. As you can see, I probably should have grabbed a teaspoon. But that's alright, we'll figure it out. Alright, so now we got our butter down. We're going to spread it out a little bit, make it nice and even. And we're going to put our meatballs on. You want to spread these out even enough so you have enough room when you smash them down. They get nice and flat and round like a burger patty. So you're going to take a sheet of wax paper in between the burger press and the actual meatball, and you're going to press it down for 10 seconds. That's going to sear that bottom nice and brown. That's going to caramelize. You're going to get so much flavor out of there, and that's the whole secret to the Smashburger thing. You can hear the sizzle. So I wanted to show you the capacity of the Blackstone. I got 6 burgers here that I'm making, and I got room for another 6 if I wanted to, really. And this is the 22-inch, so you can imagine the 36 inches even much bigger. So if you have to go back and level some out or maybe flatten some more, this is when you want to do it. So once the burgers are down, they're smashed, now is when you want to put the seasoning on top. Put some salt, pepper, and garlic. You want to spread them evenly on each burger. Do it to taste. Some like less, some like more. Whatever your preference is. I use fresh ground pepper as well as fresh ground salt and just garlic powder. And let me tell you, the smell now is unbelievable. Next up, we put down our buns. I use potato bread buns. These are Martins, and they are so soft on the outside, and we're going to toast them up. I got butter on the inside already spread on the inside of the buns before I put them down. It's going to give them a nice buttery, crispy, toasted surface. So at about the 2.5 minute mark, you'll know these burgers are ready to be turned. You'll see the juices running up to the top. That's how these cook. They don't cook out, they cook up like a pancake. And that's one of the secrets to keeping these nice and juicy. So now it's time to turn. You want to make sure you have a nice sharp spatula, and you want to dig down to get all that sear on the bottom. That's where the flavor's at. You want to scrape it almost like you're scraping paint. And you can see that nice brown char right there, and that gives it the flavor. Then let's take these buns off. So we have our buttery toasted bread. Time to add the cheese and get these off. So our smash burgers are done. And wow, this looks amazing. We're going to try this out right now. We're going to give it a nice little slice and a half. Oh, I can feel the crispiness coming through. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Look how juicy that cheeseburger is. Thank you so much, Tom Ryan, for inventing the smash burger. I'm going to give it a shot. This is healthy too. Look at the juice coming through there. Mm. That's amazing. Crispy bread, crispy beef, juicy cheese. Simple but perfect. It's amazing. On the Blackstone griddle. Give it a shot. See ya. Good?
Good.
I'm gonna keep eating.